Power on. Click, prepare, filament, retract. Wait for the machine to complete unloading. Press down on the wrench. Remove the filament. Click, return, movement, 30 mm, move Z-axis and X-axis. Move HO10 to center position for subsequent operations. Click, cooling to open, model fan. Wait until nozzle cools to room temperature. Click, prepare to close, model fan. Power off, unplug power cord. Press cutter handle, remove casing. Remove silicone sleeve. Release nozzle clip and press inward. Remove nozzle. Disconnect wiring. Remove logo rotary dial. Unscrew 3 screws. Loosen 1 screw at extruder's bottom right corner. Remove extruder. Remove the spring. Disassemble the cutter handle. Take out the torsion spring. Remove the screws. Disassemble the gear. Remove the wrench. Take out the cutter. Unscrew 1 screw. Use an L-shaped wrench to pry up the filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate. Take out the feed guide assembly with the filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate. Unscrew to screws. Disassemble the old filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate. Install the new filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate tightened to screws. Install the filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate. Use a wrench to flatten the raised part of the filament break detection plate and the cutter detection plate. Tighten 1 screw. Install the cutter. Press to check if it rebounds normally. Install the wrench. Align with the hole positions. Perform a toggle test. Install the gear. Pay attention to aligning with the hole positions. Snap into place. Install the spring. Install the screws. Install the torsion spring. Pay attention to the direction of the torsion spring, with the right angle part facing outward. Install the cutter handle and lock it with a clip. Install extruder, tighten for screws. Verified cutter slide buckle is locked downward. Install logo rotary dial, connecting wiring. Install nozzle. Secure nozzle clip. Install silicone sleeve. Press cutter handle. Install casing. Plug in power cord. Power on. Click Settings. Self-check. Select All to begin. Waiting for machine self-test completion.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.